Hello everyone, so this is my CVS haul for this week, March 5 to March 11 of 2023. So I did 2 transactions in total and I did not get any nice CRT this week. So in the other card, luckily we got 8 of 40 purchase CRT and the rest I just purchased is because I won. So in the first transaction, I did the deal of any Pantene, Head & Shoulders, or Herbal Essences is buy one, get one 40% off. And when you buy 2, you will get a $4 extra box reward. So they have a lot of Head & Shoulders for men. So I picked 2 Head & Shoulders, 2-in-1 men with Old Spice. So this is priced for $7.49 and then the 40% off is $4.49. There is $3 off 2 printable coupon in P&G website and then the digital coupon glitch. So this is my note for the Head & Shoulders. So the 2 Head & Shoulders are $11.98. I used the $3 of 2 Head & Shoulders printable coupon from P&G website. And then my $3 of 2 Head & Shoulders digital coupon glitch. I paid $5.98. Then I got my $4 extra box reward. And then there is 50 cents rebate in IBOTTA is a limit of 5. So I got $1 in total for buying 2 Head & Shoulders, making it 98 cents for 2 or 49 cents each. So next is the Any the Women's or Derma Hair Care. It's buy one get one 50% off. And when you buy 2, you will get a $5 extra box reward. This is priced for $6.49 and then the 50% off is $2.65. I used 2 $1 printable coupon from Dove Emily's. So I got 2 Dove shampoo and this is my note for the Dove. So the 2 are $7.94 less 2 $1 any Dove printable coupon from Dove Emily's. So total are $2. I paid $5.94. Then I got my $5 extra box reward, making it 94 cents for 2 or 47 cents each. And then the Nivea body wash, facial care, or body lotion is buy 2 and you will get a $5 extra box reward. I got the 2 Nivea pampering body wash, cocoa, and shea butter. And then I used this $3 off 2 Nivea body wash manufacturing coupon from Save. So it's expired February 25, but the store here accept expired coupon. And then the $3 digital coupon glitch. And this is my note for the Nivea. So it's priced for $6.49 and the 2 Nivea are $12.98. Less the $3 of 2 Nivea body wash manufacturing coupon from Save. And then the $3 Nivea body wash digital coupon glitch. I paid $6.98. Then I got my $5 extra box reward, making it $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents each. And then in my spend 30 get $10 extra box reward, I bought the Poise pads and Poise Ultra Thin pads. So I only used the $3 of 2 Poise printable coupon from Poise website, and then the other one is a digital coupon. They don't have Poise overnight, so I just picked the regular length. This is the 66 pads. This is priced for $6.99. So I got 2 Poise Ultra Thin pads and then the Poise 66 pads. This is priced for $15.99. And then there is rebate in IBOTTA for Poise pads is $2 each, limit of 3. And then there is $3 rebate also for the Poise pads, 66 pads. So I'm not able to get the bonus, the $3 bonus, because there is no Poise overnight in the store. So this is my note. So the 2 Poise pads are $13.98 and then the Poise regular length is $15.99. My soft total are $29.97. Less the $3 of 2 Poise printable coupon from Poise website and then $1.50 Poise digital coupon. I paid $25.47. Then I got my $10 extra box reward. Then I submitted my receipt in IBOTTA. I got $7 rebate in IBOTTA. So 4 in the Poise Ultra Thin pads and 3 in the Poise pads 66 pads. So I got 7 in total. So making it $8.47 for 3 or $2.82 each. And then the Garnier facial care is buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy two, you will get a $5 extra box reward. I picked the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue. So this is $9.59, and then the 50% off is $4.79. I use this is from coupon.com. It expires February 25. But there is new $2 printable coupon in coupon.com that you can use if your store don't accept expired coupons. So this is the new $2 printable coupon from coupon.com for Garnier Skin Active or Green Love. And then there is $2 digital coupon that you can pair with the printable coupon. So this is my note for the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue. So it's $9.59. The 50% off is $4.79. So the two are $14.38. I used the $2 Garnier printable coupon and $2 Garnier digital coupon. I paid $10.38. Then I got my $5 extra box reward, making it $5.38 for two, or $2.69 each. And then the Schick Ultimate Razor is spend $15 and get $5 extra box reward. So the Schick Intuition is part of the promotion. It is priced for $9.99. I used two $4 printable coupon from coupon.com. So this is my note for the Schick. So the two are $19.98 less the 4 of 20 Schick Intuition CRT. And then I used two $4 of Schick Intuition printable coupon from coupon.com. So total are $8. I paid $7.98. Then I got my $5 extra box reward, making it $2.98 for two, or $1.49 each. And then the Aquaphor or Eucerin hand and body lotion or facial care is spend $20 and get $10 extra box reward. This is priced for $6.99, and I able to use 3 of this Aquaphor manufacturing coupon that expire February 25. So it depends also to your cashier if they will scan an expired coupon. So for here, they don't have a problem as long as it does not beep. So I used 3 of this. So I got 3 Aquaphor 1.75 ounce. So this is my note for the Aquaphor. So the 3 Aquaphor are $20.97. I used 3 $3 Aquaphor manufacturing coupon from Save. So total are $9. I paid $11.97. Then I got my $10 extra box reward, making it $1.97 for 3, or 65 cents each. So this is my receipt. So here are all the coupons. So the Glitch and Nivea Head and Shoulders, and then my Garnier digital coupon came off, and then the Poise, and then the Schick. So here I used total of 71 extra box reward, and then my out of pocket is $3.53. I save $140.90. Total savings is 98%. So it's not a money maker, but I love the items that I got. So I got my $10 in spend $30. I got my $10 in Aquaphor. I got my $4 in Head and Shoulders. I got my $5 from the Dove. I got my $5 from the Schick. I got my $5 from the Garnier. And then I got my $5 from the Nivea. So total, my out-of-pocket is $3.53 plus $71 extra box that I use. So total are $74.53. I got $44 extra box reward in total, plus $8.35 rebate in IBOTTA. So I got $52.35. Making it $22.18 for 17 items, or $1.30 each. So in the second transaction, so I used the other card. So I did again the deal of Schick Intuition. So it's spend $15 and get $5 extra box reward. So I picked one. This is the fresh gardenia and then the lemon berry. So it's $9.99. So this is my note for the Schick Intuition. So the two are $19.98. I used the 4 of 20 Schick Intuition CRT and two $4 off Schick Intuition printable coupon from coupon.com, but it's no longer available. I paid $7.98. Then I got my $5 extra box reward, making it $2.98 for 2 or $1.49 each. And then I got the Nivea body wash again. So it's buy 2 and you will get a $5 extra box reward. So I use again one of these $3 off Nivea body wash manufacturing coupon that expires February 25. And then the digital coupon glitch. So I got 2 Nivea Delicate, Orchids, and Amber. So this is my note for the Nivea body wash. So the two are $12.98. I use the $3 of 2 Nivea body wash manufacturing coupon. And then the $3 Nivea digital coupon glitch, I paid $6.98. Then I got my $5 extra box reward, making it $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents each. Then I pick again the Garnier facial care. And then I use again one of the printable coupon from Coupon.com and then the digital coupon. So this is $9.59 and then the 50% off is $4.79. This is my note for the Garnier. So it's buy one get one 50% off, buy two get $5 extra box reward. The 2 Garnier gel cream are $14.38. I use the $2 Garnier printable coupon and then $2 Garnier digital coupon. I paid $10.38. Then I got my $5 extra box reward, making it $5.38 for 2 or $2.69 each. So next is the deal in any Eucerin or Aquaphor. So spend $20 and get $10 extra box reward. So I picked the Skin Calming. This is priced for $9.99 and I used two $3 manufacturing coupon from Save that expired February 25. So it did not fit. And then there is $2 digital coupon also and $2 printable coupon in Coupon.com if you don't have the $3 coupon from Save. So this is my note for the Eucerin. So it's $9.99 and the two are $19.98. Then I used two $3 Eucerin manufacturing coupon from Save. So total are $6. I paid $13.98. Then I got my $10 extra box reward, making it $3.98 for 2 or $1.99 each. And then in my 840 purchase CRT, I combined the deal of the Head and Shoulders. So the Head and Shoulders is buy 2 and you will get a $4 extra box reward. It's buy 1 get 1 40% off. So the Head and Shoulders is $7.49 and then the 40% is $4.49. And then the Persil is $6.99 and when you buy 2 you will get a $3 extra box reward. And then the Tide and Gain is spend $20 and you will get a $5 extra box reward. So the Tide 92 ounce is $12.99 and then the Gain 46 ounce, this is $5.49 and then the Tide Pods is $5.49. So for the Persil, I used 2 of this $2 manufacturing coupon from the Save Insert. And then I used $3 printable coupon for Head and Shoulders and the digital coupon glitch. And then for the Tide, there is $3 digital coupon. Then I use $1 printable coupon from P&G website for Gain. There is $1 digital coupon also. And then I use 1 Tide Pods printable coupon for the 16 pack. So I printed out also in P&G website. But my $3 digital coupon did not came off. But the manager is so kind. She gave me $3 extra box reward instead. So I just showed to her that it's attaching to the digital coupon. So this is my note for my 840 purchase CRT. So the 2 Head and Shoulders are $11.98 and then 1 Tide detergent is $12.99. The Tide Pods is $5.49. The Gain detergent is $5.49. The 2 Persil are $13.98. My soft total are $49.98. I used the 840 purchase CRT, $3 off Head and Shoulders printable coupon, and then the $3 Head and Shoulders digital coupon glitch. And then I used the $3 Tide detergent digital coupon, $1 Tide Pods printable coupon, and then Gain printable coupon. I switched the coupon because the digital coupon, it expired April. So I can use it next time. And then I used $2 per seal manufacturing coupon from Save. I paid $26.93. Then I got my $12 extra bucks reward. 3 in Persil, $5 in Tide and Gain, and then $4 in Head and Shoulders. Then I submitted my receipt in IBOTTA. I got $1 for buying 2 Head and Shoulders. I used the other account, making it $13.93 for 7 items, or $1.99 each. So I got my $3 extra bucks for the Tide. So this is my receipt. So everything went smoothly aside from the Tide digital coupon, so it did not show up here. And then I used total of $64 extra bucks rewards. So all the paper coupon came off aside from the digital coupon for Tide, but it's been reimbursed. So my out-of-pocket is $2.76. I saved $141.10. Total savings is 98%. And then I got my $5 for the Tide and Gain. I got my $5 for the Schick. I got my $5 from the Garnier. I got my $4 for the Head and Shoulders, $10 for the Eucerin or Aquaphor deal, $5 for the Nivea. So my out-of-pocket is $2.76 plus $64 extra bucks reward that I used. So total are $66.76. I got $37 extra bucks in total plus $3 extra bucks reward for the Tide that did not came off. So it's just not here because I used it to the clearance item that I found. And then I got $1 rebate in IBOTTA. So total I got $41, making it $25.76 for 14 items, or $1.84 each. And which is fine to me because I just used the extra bucks reward that I got. And then I got some Otter. So this is on clearance, 75%. So all Valentine's items are 75% off. So I got 2 of this. So the regular price of this is $9.99. It's on clearance for $2.50. So I just got 2 of this because it's the only items that I want when it comes to the clearance item. And then I got also this red pink plush animals. This is on clearance also. It's $3.75. The regular price is $14.99. So I got 3 items. And then this is my receipt. So I used total of $9 extra bucks reward, $6, and then this one is the $3 from the Tide. So I save 100%. Total savings is $34.97. So my total savings is $282. So I got 31 items for $1.54 each. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.